Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today here I am with the FAQs, the questions that you asked me in the community post, and I am going to be answering some of them today. Okay, so Sayan Sarkar 99 asks, share any story of one of the most calming moments of your travel where you have felt very calm and thought, yes, this is the place. Love your work. Thank you, Sayan. So one of the most calming travel experience that I had, it has to be when I went to Manali to witness the snow for the very first time. And the moment I reached there, I kept my bags and I came out of the room, and there it was, the first snowfall that I witnessed, and it was just so peaceful to just look up on the sky and see the white cotton balls like things falling down. Also, when I was walking on the streets of Manali where the snow is falling, I have an umbrella on my head, in my hand, and the snowdrops are falling, my shoes are wet, and crazy things are happening. There are big, what are those trees? Alpine trees filled with snow. And just me walking down the mountain was something that got so much peace and calm, and that is one experience that is on top of the list as of now. So the next question is asked by Raley 08 Polly. So Raleigh Polly asks, how do you gather courage and break your comfort zone to explore new cities? I think the courage comes from somewhere up in the universe. Even I have no clue. When I revisit some of my walks and I see the craziness, there are times when there are no other women walking on the same street, and there are times when some men follow me, and like in Indore, one guy was like, okay, come talk to me, and I'm like, no, and I look around, there's no women around me, there's so much crazy things happen, but the courage that comes is God sent. That is what I feel. Like the moment I get out to work, when I to capture the essence of the city or whatever place that I go to, the fear is gone, the courage is up, and all I see is this camera. And the camera gives me tremendous strength, and I don't know, it is it is something like, it feels like somebody who could make a bad interaction would be afraid of the camera. So this is like kind of my weapon, I would say. That nobody is going to be taking panga, what we say in Hindi, when I have my camera in my hand. So that is my answer. So the next question, Fabio Rogers 5974. Hi Rogers, hi Danny. These are my She Walkin family members from, I don't know, maybe 2, 3, 4 years, and they have also been to India. They are from Brazil, and they got me a flamenco jersey from their the famous football team in Brazil, and every time they come to India we meet. So hello to Danny and Rogers. And Rogers asked me, congratulations Shiva, best channel, thank you. Question, what is your biggest motivation for recording and traveling? So the biggest motivation apart from traveling is my love for India. Like I bleed blue, I bleed the color India. It's just so deep in my heart that I have so much love for the country. And it's that love for the country and love for travel and exploration that works as a whole for me to be motivated and keep creating content for She Walkin. So that is my answer.
Keep walking with She Walkin.